you so much for being here. Welcome. Hey my lovelies, hope you all are doing best in your life. Don't miss today's 3 easy 2-minute beauty tips, which is all about get rid from messy oily skin. Are you excited? Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Subscription is totally free, my friends. Without further ado, let's get started. In our first step, we are going to make a quick face pack for oily skin. So our first step is take 1 egg white, then step 2 is take 1 tablespoon of honey and mix both of them together. In our next step, apply this fine paste on your face and let it dry. Next step is after 10 minutes, wash it off with water. You will instantly feel freshness and oil-free skin. Now move towards to our next beauty tip. In second tip, you must know this amazing best natural face pack for oily skin. This amazing face pack gives you instant results, and did you know you just need only one thing for this? So our first step is take a tablespoon of fuller earth. In our next step, add proper amount of water and make a fine paste of it. Next, apply this face pack on your face for 10 minutes. Wash it properly with water and apply your favorite moisturizer on your face. Now you can see by yourself that your skin is oil free and how soft, clean and clear it is looking. Now our third tip will help you to remove all your acne scars and gives you a oil free soft glow skin. So let's know this. Step 1 is take a papaya and take out some small pieces of papaya in a bowl and smash it properly. Step 2, add 1 tablespoon of honey into it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oatmeal powder in it. Next, apply this face pack on your face for 15 minutes. Then after, wash it off with water. Now, this time you tell us your results and hope you will amazed to see what miracle these face packs are for your oily skin. Never forget that you have your own uniqueness and you defines beauty, not beauty defines you. So always feel positive and love yourself. See you soon with another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. My lovely friends, come here again.